everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is from All Recipes app, of course, my mom's favorite, and it is quick and super easy chicken and dumplings, a classic for a nice cold evening in. So it was delicious and true to its name, super quick and easy. So you can watch the video and see for yourself, but it did not take my mom any time at all to get it done. And it was delicious. Everyone said so, and it's already all gone. So you guys definitely want to give this one a try. My mom's going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below if you would like to make it. She made hers gluten-free, of course. And if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog.
Hi everyone, happy Monday. As Yoda said, we're making quick and super easy chicken and dumplings from my favorite app, All Recipes. This one is ready to go, so I just wanted to show you. It is in here, and we have it on medium heat now. We brought it to a boil, now we have it on medium heat. It's gonna need to cook like that for 10 minutes with the dumplings in there, so I'm setting the timer. And while I'm doing that, this is what the dumplings are. 2 1/4 cups gluten-free Bisquick and 2/3 of a cup coconut milk. But honestly, the coconut milk was not enough. 2/3 a cup was not enough with gluten-free Bisquick, so I went to like a cup and a half. I just kept pouring it in until it made the dough. So then we've got a large can of white chicken breast in there. And then I made some bone broth, so it is 4 cups of my bone broth that I made, chicken bone broth. So that's what's in there. The dumplings are in there. You just flatten them with your fingers and dump them in. So they are in there and for the next 10 minutes, and then I'll show you the finished product. All right, everyone, our quick and super easy chicken and dumplings are done, and they were true to their title. Quick and super easy, 10 minutes, done. So good. Enjoy. Happy Monday.